Not all detox juices will give you the quick results you desire, but we have prepared the top 4 detox juices that work best for fat burning and health improvement, scientifically proven to help you lose weight naturally without suffering from crazy diets or gym effort. And if you stay until the end, you will discover a secret that will accelerate your goals even more, something that almost no one knows yet. Welcome to Nature Hidden Code, the channel that helps you transform your body in a natural and healthy way. If you want to discover more about detox juices and other ways to improve your quality of life, subscribe and share so more people can improve their health. The first powerful juice for burning fat and accelerating metabolism is the green detox juice. It combines ingredients like cucumber, spinach, ginger, and green apple, and has a diuretic effect that will reduce bloating and help eliminate toxins quickly. Plus, it will give you that extra energy for your daily routine. And if you drink this juice regularly, you'll notice a big difference in your body in just a few days, as it not only detoxifies, but also gives that little push to fat burning. But if you want to accelerate the effects even more, an excellent way is to not only consume the green juice, but also take it with Molin, a detox supplement that has been surprising people with its rapid weight loss. I'll tell you more about that shortly. And if in addition to feeling bloated, you're dealing with inflammation, the antioxidant purple juice is for you. With ingredients like beetroot, purple cabbage, and berries, this juice will help improve your blood circulation and fight any inflammation you may be feeling, whether in your legs, arms, or elsewhere, and on top of that, it will accelerate the elimination of toxins. And if you think these are the only benefits, you can't imagine what else this juice has to offer. The antioxidant purple juice also helps with abdominal fat burning, which is one of the biggest challenges for those wanting to lose weight. After all, who hasn't complained about that fat that makes it hard to wear pants or a shorter shirt, right? And with purple cabbage, which is a rich source of antioxidants, you will also improve the health of your skin and immune system. In other words, you will keep your body hydrated for much longer, which helps maintain the beautiful, soft, and glowing appearance of your skin, in addition to preparing your body to avoid colds and other issues that arise when our immune system is low. You can also consume this juice every day, and its preparation is just as simple as the other juices in this video. Just wash the vegetables and fruits, chop them, and blend them for a few minutes, strain, and enjoy your health elixir. But if your problem is waking up every day with a sore and tired body because you can't sleep well or enough, the Morning Glow juice is the best option for you. This juice will help you start your day with energy and vitality. With ingredients like carrot, orange, golden beetroot, and ginger, this juice is full of vitamin C and beta-carotene, promoting radiant skin and helping to revitalize your body. And if you're looking for something natural to improve your digestion, leaving it lighter, this juice can help a lot, as beetroot has a detoxifying effect, while orange and ginger improve circulation and metabolism, aiding the entire digestive process. But even though the Christmas and New Year celebrations have passed, we always end up overindulging on weekends. And if that's your case, try the Tropical Detox Juice, a refreshing and delicious blend. With pineapple, mint, cucumber, and lemon, this juice will help accelerate digestion after heavier meals. Not to mention that this juice also has the power to reduce bloating, eliminating excess fluids and accumulated toxins, thus promoting a deep detox in your body. Pineapple, in addition to being diuretic, has anti-inflammatory properties that will help reduce fluid retention, while cucumber and mint will keep you super hydrated and refreshed. This juice is perfect for detoxing and giving you that energy boost. Now, if you really want to accelerate your results and maximize weight loss in a practical and effective way, you need to know the most powerful supplement for this. Molin is the solution because it has the right combination of natural ingredients that will help you, providing much more than just a detox action. To begin with, maqui berry, a fruit from Patagonia, is super rich in antioxidants and helps prevent inflammatory and chronic diseases. Rhodiola, on the other hand, is an adaptogenic plant native to the cold regions of Europe and Asia. It is known for its properties that help the body adapt to physical, mental, and emotional stress. Haemococcus pluvialis is a microalga known as the richest source of astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant. Astaxanthin is famous for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it can assist in the body's detox process. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a fruit traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine, especially due to its potent antioxidant properties and high vitamin C content. And Theobroma cacao is a plant from which cacao is extracted, known for being an excellent antioxidant. Besides being delicious, cacao offers various benefits to the body. Therefore, go beyond just helping your body get rid of toxins more quickly and make it even stronger and healthier. Click the link in the description and discover how to do that today on the official website. Studies show that using detox supplements can accelerate toxin elimination and improve fat burning up to 3 times faster when combined with a healthy diet. In other words, Molin is the most practical way to give that extra push to your results. Taking care of your health is an act of self-love, and you can do that every day.